Guys, August 16th, 2021. This one here I got a call for AC leaking in the basement for a furnace. I'm hoping that it's just a condensate line that's backed up over here. Said it seems to be cooling okay. Sometimes it's low on charge and, you know, it gets a little icy and dumps. Most of the time it's just a block line. But we'll see. We'll go over there and give it the old how you doing with a vacuum. See if there's any water in it. See if there's any water in it. You want to drive, Miss Molly? You love driving. I know. Yeah, I know you love to drive. You love driving. You just want pets. That's all you want. You just want pets, Miss Molly. This runs all the way over, all the way down. Could be that that line's just blocked. We're gonna cut it and see. Well, no, I got a special coupling for that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wouldn't leave it leaking. We're gonna cut it and then we'll do our thing.
Okay. Do you mind if I watch, or does that?
Not at all.
Okay. But I'm just curious.
Yeah, to see what's going on. It's probably could be the pan's all rotted inside. That don't seem to be an issue. He's saying it's definitely leaking water on the floor, huh?
Yeah. There was quite a bit last Thursday when we first started.
What's probably happening is the pan's probably all rotted inside, seeing it's an older unit.
Yeah, I know when the home inspector pulled the front off last year, there was a lot of rust that was there.
Was there?
And when the water was leaking, I don't know if this makes any difference to you, but when I touched the different pipes, they didn't seem wet to me on the outside, but the water was kind of running through
right
here.
down.
Yeah. Definitely had some schmag in there. Okay.
Muck, dirt, whatever. We should be able to put this back together. And
So does that also mean the landscaping people need to be doing a better job of clearing around the air conditioning fan?
well, that never hurts, but that's not what the issue was. The issue was it gets slimy in here.
Okay.
And it was just kind of blocked.
So is that something that should be serviced on a regular basis?
Well, you said you're going to put a new system in here.
Well, I'd like to find out what it would cost to put in a new system.
We're going to give you a price on doing that.
Okay.
Why don't you go turn the AC on now?
Okay. Any particular temperature?
Yeah, just put it on so it don't shut off. I mean, if it's
Okay.
75 in there, put it to 70.
Okay.
Alright, so what we're going to do is, she's going to run it, old system. A little 75,000 BTU unit here is what she needs. And a little duct board, no filter rack. That's 17 inches wide. I could put something in there with a small filter rack, a little. About 75 into the chimney. That's 5" with an A coil on top of it, and that would be what you need. Get a price on it. See no zone dampers or nothing here. Yeah, it's definitely kind of rusty. That's not a good sign. Definitely rusty, so that, you know, the pan's all rotted and on its way out. Whoa, that ain't no little 2-tonner, that's for sure. Tons. 3.5 tons. It's not no 2-tonner, that's for sure. Yeah, it's fine. It's cool and fine. It was just blocked. Temp star. This thing's cool and fine. I'm gonna have to call you back with a quote on this. I thought it was only 2 tons.
Yeah.
It's a lot bigger.
Okay. And